Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to cut a piece of tile around a toilet flange. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get your length. So I've already done that with this piece of tile right here. It was 22 inches. The next thing I need to do is take some measurements around the flange and get it marked on my tile. I'm going to measure to the tile right here that I already have installed, and we're looking at 15, and we're looking at about 6 3/4, so I'm going to get that marked. Okay, I'm just getting a rough outline. As you can see, this tile made it out far enough to where the toilet's actually going to cover this edge, so I don't need to cut a complete circle. I'm going to be cutting out more kind of like a U shape out of this tile, which that's what you hope for, really. Okay, so next I'm going to get the measurement from here to here, and then I'm going to draw a rough outline of my circle. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a series of cuts just coming straight down like this, and then I'll come back in and hold it up and chip some of this out right here until I get my whole circle cut. This is what we ended up with. On a wet saw, it's virtually impossible to get like a real nice smooth curved line because a wet saw is only going to cut straight. So the idea is, if the wet saw is all you have, you just make sure that your cuts do not go outside of the parameter of where your toilet's going to sit. So you don't want this cut right here to be on the outside of your toilet. In other words, your toilet is going to cover up any of the roughness that you see. In another video, I'll show you how to do this with a mini grinder with a diamond wheel, and you'll get a really nice smooth curve. So that'll be for another video, but let's go ahead and get this tile put down. Okay, and there you have it. Your toilet's going to cover up all of these right here, no problem. We've got plenty of room going around that. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.